3 ways to get straight hair at home without any chemical treatment. Now, my name is Arvind Menon, and on this channel I talk about fitness, grooming and motivation. If you are interested, make sure to subscribe because I am going to put a lot more content like this on this channel. First one is the cap method. Now, let me make it clear. Wearing a hat does not lead to hair loss. It's a myth. It doesn't. Don't believe it. Now, how you do it? You towel dry your hair after taking a bath as much as you can, then comb it in one direction, opposite to which you are going to style it, and then wear a cap. Wear it for good 30-35 minutes and then style your hair. Now, you can gain pretty good volume from this method, but if you have anywhere near medium long or long hair, then you won't have much of a volume with this method. Second method is blow dry your hair. Now, it takes some time to get used to it, but it works really well. If you have long hair, it doesn't matter, it will add volume to your long hair as well. So the third method to get straight hair at home without any chemical treatment is by getting a flat iron. Now, it will damage your hair in long run. It is not recommended to use on daily basis, but it will give you spiky straight hair. Now, if you like the content in this video, make sure to subscribe because I am gonna put a lot more content like this every single week and you wouldn't want to miss it.